Kind greetings to you all. It's been a while ever since I made the most recent video, particularly for ordinary level chemistry. So we want to continue with some sample items, some sample questions on what I covered previously. There are some questions which I want to share here. Hope my screen is visible, is shared. I cannot see it here. Yeah, I can see it now. So that is the question. Let me try to adjust. Let me try to increase the font. There we are. There we are. That is the item. This is the item. It is on bonding. I think now it is very clear and visible. So let us try to interpret it. So what are they saying here? In a rural community, 3 local workplaces use different substances in their daily operations. A bakery uses sodium chloride in baking and food preparation. A science laboratory uses carbon dioxide gas for experiments and fire extinguishers. And metalworking workshop uses aluminium for roofing sheets and utensils. So what are the substances given here? We have sodium chloride in baking and food preparation. Then we have carbon dioxide for experiments and fire extinguishers, and aluminium for roofing and utensils. There are 3 substances. So some residents mistakenly think all these substances are elements and they are concerned about environmental safety and effects. So they want you to clarify the situation. So part A, they want us to categorize, to explain the category and the nature of bonding in each substance. Category and nature of bonding in each substance. Then part B, explain the properties of each substances based. Explain 2 properties of each substances based on its nature, and also state 1 use of each substance. Explain 1 environmental or health impact associated with each substance. So you see here, this item is coming from bonding. So we comment on bonding, we categorize the bonding. As I explained earlier on, I explained how one categorizes bonding. There are what? There are 3 forms of bonding which I highlighted previously. So after categorizing the type or the category, then we give properties. There are 3 substances here. Then we also give the use and the environmental impact. This is the first item. Hope it has been understood very well, because in the next session I'm going to dissect it. I'm going to dissect it carefully so that it makes sense to you. So we are interested in the properties of substances, the category and the nature of bonding in each, and the properties of each substance, use, and environmental impact. So this is the first item. Then the second one, hope it is there. The second item is here. Here it is. Here it is. At a technical training institute in Mbale, a new laboratory assistant was assigned to organize substances used for practical lessons in chemistry. Among the materials delivered, what are those materials? We have potassium chloride. We have a band of aluminum wires, a solid graphite rod, and a cylinder of methane. Potassium chloride, aluminum wires, graphite rod, and a cylinder of methane. So the instructor explained that although these materials appear ordinary, their internal structures and bonding determine their physical and chemical properties, which in turn influence how they are used safely, how they should be used safely and effectively in laboratory practicals. So potassium chloride, aluminum wires, and solid graphite plus methane gas, they are 4. So they need guidance. They need guidance on what? They need guidance on classification of substances with the reason based on the type of the structures. Those substances, we are supposed to classify them with reason. But basing on what? We classify them with reason, but the classification is based on the type of structure. You see, previously for the other item, it has been, the category has been based on nature, nature and the type of bonding, nature and type of bonding. A moment. Nature and type of bonding. So here we classify the substances, but basing on the type of structure. Then the properties still appear of any one. Then we state the use of one and also explain the environmental impact associated with any one. So allow me first pause this a little bit, then come back with the dissection of the responses. So